Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add TCL A300W to Google Home. On your phone with Google Home app, go into Devices in the Google Home app, then in Local Devices you'll see your TV. You can just click on it, and now you can change the volume, add to a room, or click on Cast My Screen. Cast screen, start now, and it will start casting the screen. You can also click on three dots in top right corner to get help or send feedback. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.